In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Exness account on mobile. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom and tap on Profile at the bottom right. And from here, you want to click on the cogwheel to open Settings at the very top right. So tap on that. And from here, you want to scroll down to the very bottom of this page. And in here, under Security Actions, you'll see it says Terminate Exness Personal Area. Now, here, you want to simply click on where it says that. And then from here, you can see it's going to say terminate your Exness personal area. And then it says this action cannot be undone. Full terms and conditions, click here. And then, of course, if you want to read those, click on here. And then, as you can see, there's three things that's going to happen. The first one is this email will be blocked. So your email will be blocked and new accounts will require a new email. And then all data will be deleted as well as programs will be canceled. Okay. So if you're sure you actually want to do that, you want to tap at the continue button at the bottom and then you'll be able to process your request. So that's how to delete your Exness account on mobile. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.